Williams, say you don't want to give me money for my... Today is over for you. Let me tell you. I will break this bottle today. You will see. Say you don't want to give me money for my hair, right? Don't come close to me. Oh.
Please, it doesn't go to this extent.
Don't. Why?
Please. You know I love you. You know I love you.
We're just managing that.
How are you doing?
Okay, are you okay?
I'm good. This is Mr. Kunle.
Welcome. I love your haircut. It's nice.
Thank you. I got my haircut today.
Are you hungry? Try the best.
Are you done with food?
Yeah. You have something good.
What?
Your favorite.
Oh, I didn't prepare my favorite for me. Thank you.
Yeah.
So, no problem. Once I'm done, my friend, I'll let you know. Thank you. Bye-bye.
It's wonderful.
What happened?
How did your baby is treating you? I just feel like you guys are in good time.
Well, yeah, we're in good time. No good deal. This woman is so Jesus Christ. I don't joke with her. She's my number one. She knows how to cook. She washed the clothes. She cleaned the house. In fact, she cooked my favorite food, John.
This one is not after your money.
She's not asking for money. That's the worst part. She don't ask for money. She take care of me very, very well.
I can see you so much transaction. You see this woman, I'm not sure, but let me just advise
Doing there? William! What are you doing here? William. What are you doing here with this your low-class friend? Huh? What are you doing here, William? Are you not supposed to be in the office working?
So it's now time you call me Williams.
What am I supposed to call you?
You call me baby. You call me baby, you call me honey, you call me sweetie.
That was then. Please, I need money for my hair.
So are you trying to...
I need money for my hair. Look at me, I'm rough now. Give me money for my hair, please.
It's not up to this extent now. I never reached this level.
It's not up to what? I better give me money for my hair. I'm not in for all this.
Stop disgracing me in public.
Disgracing you for what? With this your low-class friend. Disgracing you for what?
Don't hold my clothes like that.
I should not hold your clothes.
Why you?
Give me money for my hair.
You trying to disgrace me?
Disgrace you for what? Because give me money for my hair. I don't have time for this, so. You know I know your secret, right?
Why are you shouting my name?
Who's that, babe?
It is what I want to tell you. This is like my life. I was given this thing. It must not touch ground and nobody must break it. So, I am showing you this thing as my wife. It must not touch ground and nobody will break it, please.
Okay.
Yes, so that is why they gave it to me. I brought it in the home. So this is my life, please.
Give me money for my
So you're using my secret to threaten me?
Okay, so you don't want to give me money for hair, right? You don't want to give me money for hair, right? Just wait for me, I'm coming. Wait for me, oh, I'm coming.
It has not gotten to all the areas there.
Wait for me, I'm coming.
TV.
Just wait, I'm coming.
Nika TV.
Nika TV. Nika TV. Nika TV. Nika TV.
you don't want to give me money for my today is over for you. Let me tell you, I will break this bottle today. You will see. Say you don't want to give me money for my hair, right? Don't come close to me, oh.
Please, it doesn't go to this
Don't.
extent.
Why?
Please, please. You know I love you. You know I love.
What's going on here?
This is serious.
Nobody's telling me.
Thank you so much, my brother. I should be the one congratulating you.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm looking for Mr. Williams.
Mr. Williams, I'm Mr. Williams.
Okay. Okay, your package from here, from the oil company.
Oh, thank you.
Everything is in from there.
Yeah. Send the reports. Go back to work.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
What's going on here, babe?
What a wicked world. Alright, check it.
Wow.
What a wicked world. I'm going to compensate you as my friend because you gave me the wisdom and idea. Never trust a woman. Look at the lady I trusted. I trusted her. I showed her everything about myself.
Babe, I'm sorry.
I tested you. I test you, but look at what happened. You call my friend a teen.
Please, I'm sorry. Please forgive me, babe. Please,
I should forgive you
please.
because of how much? 5,000 naira, 10,000 naira for your hair. Very, very shameful.
Babe, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please.
Just go in there and pack your stuff.
Babe,
Leave
please
my house.
forgive me.
You don't have to forgive me. Don't near me, please. My brother, let's go. Let's go.
Babe, now. Babe, now.
This life, do not expose all your wealth or do not expose everything to your woman.